To register for recreation and cultural activities online, go to register.ottawa.ca on a computer, tablet, or mobile device. Select the Sign In, Sign Up button. You will need to either create a new account or access your account if one was created for you. To create a new account, select Join. Enter your email address. If you get a message that your email address is already associated with an account has automatically been created for you. Select Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email, then go to your email inbox to find a message from Do Not Reply at ottawa.ca with a link to reset your password. Check your spam and junk filters if that message doesn't appear in your email box. If you're creating a new account, enter your name and date of birth. Create a password. Accept the terms and conditions. Enter your address, phone number, and preferred language. The gender field is optional. Complete the security feature to prove you're not a robot by selecting all the images with a common feature such as bridges or traffic lights. Alternatively, select the headphone button for the audio option and type in the words you hear. Go to your email and activate your account by selecting the link in the verification message. This message will come from Do Not Reply at ottawa.ca and may get filtered to your junk or spam folders. The link will take you back to the sign-in page. Your account has been created and you now have the option to add additional family members. Select Manage Family Members on the right side of the screen, then Add Family Member. You have the option to enter an email address for your family member or enter the same email address you've already used. Enter their language preference, name, date of birth, address, and phone number. Select Submit. Select My Account to return to your account page. You have the option to save a credit card. Select Save Credit Cards under Payment and Order Management. Select Add a New Credit Card to enter the credit card information. The system accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. No payment will be charged until you register for activities and check out. Adding a credit card in advance will help you expedite the registration process, but you will need to enter the 3 or 4-digit CVV number when you check out. You will also need to validate your billing address on the first transaction. To browse activities, select Activities from the home page. You can filter by keyword, time, location, age range, or type of activity. A list of activities meeting your search criteria will appear. View more details by selecting the activity title. At the bottom of the page, you'll find an email address for the facility if you have additional questions. You can create a wish list to bookmark activities of interest to make finding them faster when registration opens. Select the heart icon to wish list an activity. Select My Wish List at the top of the screen to view your wish list at any time. Once registration opens, make sure you are logged into your account. Find the activities for which you want to register by accessing your wish list or searching for activities. Select Enroll Now on each individual activity. Choose the family member you want to register. They must meet the age requirements. You can continue adding additional activities before you check out. Select Add to Cart to pay for your activities. You must accept the waiver. Select Check Out if you've saved a credit card. Select that method of payment and enter the CVV. Otherwise, enter your credit card information and validate your billing address for your first transaction. You have the option to store your credit card for future use. Select Pay. You will see a confirmation screen and will receive a confirmation email with a receipt. You have the option to print a receipt. To access your receipts at any time, select My Account, then Transaction and Payment History. You can withdraw from an activity online up to 7 days before it starts. Select My Account, then Transaction and Payment History. Select Withdraw. If you paid by credit card, select your method of refund, either on your account or credit card. If you paid by cash, check, debit, or electronic check, you'll receive a credit on your account. Select the blue Withdraw button. You can use the credit for future registrations, and it will not expire. To request a refund for credits on account, fill out a refund request form and a check will be mailed to you. Thank you for using register.ottawa.ca.